Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a cute Squishmallow witch to celebrate Halloween. So let's get started. To draw this cute witch, let's first start by drawing the rim of her hat. So I'm going to come right here and kind of draw this wave of a curve. So I'll just start by right here, soft curve that goes up and then just comes around. But if you're using a pencil, definitely just draw the whole Squishmallow shape first. The reason I'm starting with this is because I have a hat and I don't want to be erasing the top of the Squishmallow's head. So using this curve right here, I'm going to start to draw my Squishmallow shape. So I'm going to come to this part right here and just draw. It's kind of like my usual dumpling shape, but just a little bit longer, taller, I mean. So let's bring this down. And about right there, I'm going to start to curve it in and connect it. Right there, go ahead and connect it with a soft curve at the bottom. There. Okay, so then from there, let's start to build her hair. So let's say about right here is where her hair parts. So I'm just going to come about right here, give myself a point, and I'm just going to start to draw her bangs. And let's go on this side, up and down, and one more. And then from there, let's come down a little bit more, and about right here, I'll give myself a point, and I'll drag this across, about right here. And from there, I'm going to draw a curve. So this is going to be the curve that breaks up her face from her, from her body. Then from there, let's bring her to life. So about in this area, I'm going to come right here and draw a soft curve for some very happy eyes. I'll thicken it up. And same thing on the other side. So about right here, do the same thing. And then let's add some lashes towards the end. So I'm just going to put two curves right here and same thing here. And let's give her a sweet smile right in between. So say about right here and cap it off. There, such a happy witch, right? Okay, so then now let's see here. Let's come back up right here in this area. And I'm just going to draw a curve for her pigtails. So I'm going to come out and bring it in. Add some curves in there for some details. And same thing over here. So about right here. And same thing. And then let's draw her hat. So let's come right here to make it a little bit easier. I'm just going to come up here and just finish off the curve. And in this area right here, I'm going to continue this up. And let's bring this over. Oh, my Sharpie working. And as I come up, I'm going to get a little bit thicker. And I'm going to imagine this still going up. If there's a head right here, so about right here, I'll stop. And then from there, I'm going to put in a different angle for the rim of our hat. Right there. So then let's imagine this going through for the hat. I'm going to go up. And about right there, I'll bring down a curve, round off the tip, go up. And so we're going to start to draw the hat, the witch's hat. Get a little soft point at the top, and then we're just going to bring it down all the way back to this point right here. And if you like, you can add some details right here. Maybe a crease line if you like, because it is folding over. Okay, so then let's draw the buckle right here, kind of like in the center area. Just gonna draw kind of a soft square and then inside. And let's bring a band across right here to finish off the hat. Okay, so now to draw her outfit, I'm going to come in about, say, half about right here. And once again, I'm going to drag this across. So it's just a bit easier when you drag these points so you know where your curve is going. So it's a little bit more accurate and easier because I am drawing pretty big. There. Okay, so I've drawn a curve. Now I'm going to break this up. So I'm going to give myself 2 points nicely in the center, say about right here and here. And I'm going to bring this a slight angle. So this is kind of like our corset area. And then in between, I'm going to draw 2 X's. So it's got one right here. And then another one. There. And then at the bottom, we can draw some stripes. So once again, I'm just going to come right here and give myself some points. And one more. There. Okay, so we have our stripes in. And that is pretty much it for our witch right here for Squishmallows, except of course, I have to give her a heart. So let's put it right here. So they're all done. I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me to draw these cute Squishmallow Halloween squad. And definitely check out my video, the one I did with Dracula, where I showed all these cute plushes from Squishmallows. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you with this video, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.